Hello and welcome to our ultimate guide for shipping your car to Zamboanga City, Philippines. If you're planning on moving to this historic and beautiful city, having your own vehicle can make life so much easier. Whether you're relocating for work, family, or simply want to explore Zamboanga City at your own pace, today's video will walk you through everything you need to know about shipping your car to this stunning destination. Zamboanga City is located in Mindanao, at the southern tip of the Philippines. It's the third largest city in the country by land area, known for its rich history, beautiful beaches, and laid-back atmosphere. The city is highly urbanized with a strong road network, making it an ideal place to have a car. Now let's talk about how much it costs and how long it takes to ship a vehicle to Zamboanga City. The pricing varies depending on the port, delivery method, and distance. But here are some estimated costs and timeframes. There are several ways to ship a car internationally, but the two most common and cost-effective methods for shipping to Zamboanga City are container shipping and RoRo, roll-on/roll-off, shipping. If you're moving more than just your car, container shipping is a great option. The vehicle and container can be packed with other items, reducing your overall costs. A dedicated 20-foot container is the safest and most reliable way to transport your car internationally. RoRo is the most affordable option for car shipping. Your vehicle is driven onto the ship and secured in place for the journey. The vehicle must be able to roll on and off the ship, so make sure your car is operational. RoRo ships are typically faster and cheaper, but they come with fewer safety features than container shipping. Thank you for watching our guide on shipping a car to Zamboanga City. We hope this video helps make your relocation or travel plans a little easier. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you might have.